We need to leave. The place is under attack. We're gonna die.
The closer you get to heaven, the more you break away from the world.
What?
I was affected so much by the awful things that were going on in 1984. In those days, the police would go from house to house and pick up the boys. Even if they were on their way to school, they put them in jail and martyred them. Sometimes they would come home, but they could not even walk. Do you think you can get the kids educated? Do you think? Educated? Do you think you can get the kids educated?
For 18 years the court case went on. Many of the women were suffering. We kept our stand though. I challenged darkness. Around myself, I will establish light so that people could see.